Hi, my name is Greg Stacko, and you turned into another Craft Beer Friday. For Craft Beer Friday supports local breweries and gives you ideas of great craft beers for you to drink. And today we are going to talk about the Blonde Ale from Wicked Wort. Now, Wicked Wort has this nice, beautiful growler. The growlers are great for you to bring home with your fresh brewed beer from your favorite brewery. Easy to carry, 60 ounces of fresh beer from your favorite brewery, which I said twice. That's right, twice. So the Blonde Ale. The Blonde Ale is your typical American nice golden flavor beer. Nice golden in taste, nice golden in color type American beer. Easy to drink. Alcohol level is usually 5%, 6-7%. Now, some people might get mixed up with the Blonde Ale to the Pale Ale. The Pale Ale is more of a hoppy beer. Blonde Ale is more of a drinkable, more easy drinking type beer. Maybe consider it towards like a Miller or a Coors Light, or just a Coors. No, I wouldn't say that. Hi, my name is Greg Stacko, and you turn into another Craft Beer Friday. Craft Beer Friday supports local breweries here in Minnesota and give you ideas of some great craft beer breweries that you should try and beers. So, as you have been following me along, I've been making my own IPA, and it's all fermented and ready to go. Gave it out to some coworkers and friends, and really kind of passed the test of pretty good IPA beer. So IPA beers, as you remember, are your nice citrus hoppy beers, golden in color, and this is a nice golden color IPA that I made myself. You can see the nice golden color. Really impressed myself for the first time making my own IPA beer. It's nice and hoppy and citrus. Has a nice golden color, and it is good to share with friends and coworkers and family members. This week I'm going to be showing you how to make a lager beer by Shirley called the Hell. This is a nice lager beer, and Shirley is one of the companies that really pushed for the Shirley Bill, which helped breweries sell their own beer at their own establishments here in Minnesota and made the craft beer industry blow up. So this is a nice Hell beer, a nice lager beer, nice light in color, 5.0 alcohol level, and it's very, very good. One of my best lager beers, I think, that I've ever had. So now I'm going to be showing you step by step how to create the lager beer. So the first steps of making your own craft beer at home is make sure that your equipment is sanitized and clean. Put 2.5 gallons of water on your stove. In the temperature to 150-160 degrees. Put these grains into a sack like this, and then it sits for a half hour in the water and tie the sack to the edge and discard it and not squeeze the bag. After your grains have been sitting in the water for 30 minutes, bring the water to a boil. And then once it starts boiling, pull it down, put in the liquid extract and the 3 pounds of dry extract. Mix the liquids until they are all dissolved. Bring the water back up to a boil and add your hops. Boil for 60 minutes. We're going to add 1 bag of the hops. And then in the last 10 minutes of the boil, we're going to add the second bag of hops. I hope you like this video. Check out my other videos. Until next time, live responsibly and have a great week.